What's up guys, welcome to episode 22 of the baby account, and today I'm going to be trying to unlock drones. So as you can see, we're really close to level 26, so I think one game is going to do it. So yeah, let's drop straight into it. Oh, that was so bad. Somehow I got second. That was the worst game. Let's just show the honor points for it. There we go. Have I done it? I kind of hope I haven't done it, because that was one of the worst games ever. I actually haven't. Let's go. Let's drop into another game. Okay, so we've dropped in on Dead City map. We'll use the emoji first. Okay, let's go. I need to unlock motherships on this, because I don't know if you guys saw, but in one of my other videos, I won both the Frozen Scorn and the Thor. So, I know the Thor is better, so I'll probably end up using that. But yeah, I really want to unlock motherships. Okay, he's just getting destroyed. He's coming around for more. What's he doing? Oh, someone else is gonna kill him instead. That's so annoying. Really? Oh, can we get him? Oh, that would have been... Oh, what a kill steal. I just looked at him and he died. Double kill. Oh my gosh, that was a great kill steal. No way. Let's go around here. We need to get more kills. He's gonna die before I get to him for sure. Is that a hover? Free kill. Free kill. I better get this kill. Come on. What the heck? Yes, triple kill. I'm literally spawn raiding them, right? We're all spawn raiding. Oh, hello. That's a, what's it called? Shield thing. Galahad. Imagine that. I literally died to a Galahad. Luckily, this thing heals a bunch when it lands, which I didn't even realize until this account, so... Oh, let's just finish off the Galahad and get a rampage. Can we get him too? Oh, nearly. Surely I'm gonna die soon. I can't stay alive forever in this. Oh, why is it lagging? Oh, there's nowhere else to go. We need to try and hit that scorpion. He's got flames. That's probably a really good build for the scorpion. Oh no. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to go for the Leo. I think I can kill him as well. Come on. Is he gonna just hide from me? Yeah, I've got him, surely. Is this godlike I'm on? Oh, it reset. Why? Oh, imagine oh, that'd be good. Why did my kill streak reset? What the heck? That's so annoying. How on earth am I still alive? Oh, I thought that was going to be another kill. This is what I mean about the baby account. I get some seriously good games. The only games that I seem to do bad in are the ones where I squad with my clan, because they're so much higher levels than me. We always end up going against like full like expert league players. But I honestly don't mind the baby account. Everyone always complains about how there's pay-to-win players. I haven't seen any yet. Maybe... Oh, I'm dead for sure now. Maybe it's because I haven't hit diamond yet, and that's where most of the tankers reside. So, we'll see what happens when I get there. Somehow my team can't hold a beacon. Can we try and shoot the Loki into the air? Oh, what a kill! What the heck? That was OP. Let's go. Can we try and get the Ming as well? I think surely I'm improving at the Minos. There we go, we got the Ming. I'm gonna be getting so many kills this game. Oh, okay, that one got stolen. I jinxed it by saying that. Oh, what's this guy in? Another Nether. I can't even aim at him. I can't even charge either now. Oh, wow, he's done for. See, that was a Thor, I'm pretty sure. And the guy with the Veyron helped as well. What we don't want now is for a Titan to... What did I just say? I'm dead. There's nothing I can do. That's through my reflector as well, that damage. I need to get a Luchador because they're still really good in lower leagues. They're still good in, like, champion leagues with pilots now. But then you can make any Titan good with pilots. I think we've got this game. I need to go and heal my team. I'm just going to go over here. Because I'll get more credit for getting this beacon. I like the Demeter. I need to get some proper weapons for this. Maybe Havocs or something. I really need to do the workshop because I still haven't done it. I'm not going through this emoji portal because I don't know where it's going to come out. Oh, what happened there? Oh, well, there we go. We teleported to that guy. That was such... See, that was a much better game. Surely I'm top of the team for that. I got so many kills there. Oh, I'm second. Really? 8 kills. Oh, wait. Was that a tanker? Look how much damage he did. Surely it was. Yeah, he's got a Titan pilot as well. Yeah, that's a tanker. Here are the honor points that we got for that game. So yeah, but I think that will have got us drones. If I'm not... Yeah, there we go. Let's go. We've got drones now. Why is it recommending me, like, Nodens and stuff? We get 50 microchips. That's going to do a whole lot of nothing. But yeah, there we go. The baby account has unlocked drones. The next big milestone for this account. Drones at level 27. I swear they used to be level 26. Anyway, where are the drone tutorial tasks? Oh, wait, there we go. Check out the new drone. Okay. Do I actually get stuff from this? I do. Okay. The thing is, if it's going to make me upgrade a drone, I don't want to put the starter on this because I want a paralysis. Oh, I do have it as well. I won this before I unlocked drones. Let's go. So now the Mars has its own drone. Everyone was saying the paralysis was a really good drone for it. Where's the next task? Upgrade drone. I knew it was going to make me do that. Am I going to be able to upgrade this one though? Is it more expensive? 40 microchips. Oh well. There we go. We've done it now. Okay. Wait, is that it? That's it? Really? Okay. Well, guys, there we go. The baby account's unlocked drones. I could put the starter drone on one of these because it repairs damage. As you can see here. But yeah, I don't know how much of a difference that's actually going to make. I might as well try and run another game to test it out, although this video is going to be too long. Otherwise, I'll just probably show some gameplay of this Mars. Why? Hello? Can I get a game, please? I'm not going to have enough time. There's no point in doing this. Yeah, I'll show you this in the next video, guys, on the baby account. But yeah, if you did enjoy this one, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.